Welcome to this video on handwriting. Handwriting is a unique and individual characteristic for each person. Handwriting analysis is crucial in question documents. Key identification requirements include determining if signatures are genuine, forged, traced, disguised, or transplanted, and establishing the writer's identity. A holograph is a document written and signed by one person. Analysis involves verifying if it is a holograph and determining if the suspect or victim wrote it. Anonymous or pseudonymous letters are examined to find the source, the writer's occupation, and educational background. Document alterations are analyzed to determine when changes were made and who made them. Questions about figures, handprinting, block lettering, and marks may also be relevant. For TypeScript documents, the focus is on identifying the specific typewriter used. Regarding TypeScript, further questions include the typewriter's make and model, the number of typewriters used, and if any additions, alterations, or substitutions were made. Examination of writing materials like paper, ink, and erasers can also be useful. Mechanical match involves comparing seals, stamps, torn paper pieces, and watermarks, applying techniques used for tool marks and matching broken parts. Burnt documents require restoration of the writing and, if currency is involved, estimating the amount. Miscellaneous examinations include looking at erasures, indented writing, the sequence of strokes, and analyzing gum, adhesive, and sealing wax. Thank you for watching this video on handwriting analysis.